Hey everyone, welcome to Coffee and Crafting. In today's video, I'm sharing 8 unique napkin ring holders that have a beautiful farmhouse style with a little touch of shabby chic that will dazzle any table. I am asking for your help today in deciding which one I will be using for my spring Easter dinner this year. So if you can pick your favorite and let me know in the comments, the overall favorite will be the one I make for my guest. If you enjoy DIY home projects, thrift makeovers, and easy to make home decor all on a budget, then I hope you will consider to subscribe to my channel and join my DIY family. So grab a coffee or your favorite drink and let's start. For this DIY, I made a template using a piece of cardboard and metal ears that I had from a sign. I used the template to cut the ears on a piece of cotton linen that I had on hand. I'm really sorry, my camera went out of focus at this point and I didn't know until after. Hopefully you can see what I'm doing. After I cut the fabric, I folded it over. Then I folded the fabric again to meet the ears together. I trimmed the thread strings and I used my finger to kind of scratch over the fabric on the edge to get a frayed look. I really hope this is all making sense. I have some wood rings from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to take one and I'll push the bottom of the ears through the ring. Then I'll take the top part of the ears and I'll push it through the opening in the material. I'll pull the ears tightly so they're secured. Basically, I'm tying the ears to the ring. I'll cut 2 small pieces of lace and I'll shape them to fit the ears. Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. If you are new to my channel, my name is Lori and welcome. If you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please take a moment to consider to click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're notified when I upload any new videos. And if you can give me a thumbs up by clicking the like button, this really helps my channel to continue to grow and be recognized. And leave me a comment down below on which DIY is your favorite so I know which one I'll be making for my spring Easter dinner. I used Mod Podge to glue the lace to the fabric. This will help stiffen the ears so they are not flopping around, and I let them dry for a few hours. I glued a small daisy in between the bunny ears. And to finish this bunny napkin ring, I'll add a yellow lace material napkin that I found at my thrift store. I found 2 of these. I'm not sure how old the napkins are, but I do love the vintage look of them. For this DIY, I have a toilet paper holder. I'm going to cut it in half. Then I'll cut it to flatten the toilet paper holder. I'll cut a piece of cotton linen fabric and I'll use a glue stick to glue the fabric to the holder. I'll remove the excess fabric using a cutting knife from the Dollar Tree. I'll use the piece of tape to tape the toilet paper holder together. I'm going to use the piece of cotton lace from a skirt that I found at the thrift store. I glued it around the holder, leaving some at the top and some at the bottom. I'll glue the extra lace at the top into the inside of the holder for a cleaner look. I'll glue a light yellow piece of lace that I had on hand around the toilet paper holder. I have a mini wood bunny from the Dollar Tree. I'll paint it with the cashew chalk paint from Waverly. I'll glue the bunny on the lace. And to finish the lace bunny napkin holder, I'll add a yellow plaid napkin that I found at my thrift store. I found 4 of these, and I think this one is perfect for this DIY. For this DIY, I have a mini grapevine wreath, a piece of lavender, and daisies from a pick. I'll use floral wire and wrap it around the flowers. I'll attach the flowers to the wreath with the floral wire. And I'll glue a twine bow on the flower wreath. I'll finish the lavender daisy wreath napkin holder with the other yellow material napkin. I take my napkins from the center and I pull them through the rings. I don't do anything fancy. I really like the look of them when it's just simple. For this DIY, I have some wood beads from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to add them to a piece of floral wire. I have a tassel that I had on hand. I'm going to cut some of the twine from the tassel. I'll thread the wire through the top of the tassel on both sides. I'll thread the wire through a couple of the beads. I'll pull tightly on the wire and I'll wrap it around tightly to secure it. I'll glue a taupe color paper flower with gold on the edges in the center of the tassel. And to finish the wood bead napkin holder, I'll add the yellow plaid napkin to the bead ring. I love the look of this vintage napkin combined with a touch of the boho shabby chic look. For this DIY, I have a package of bottle brush carrots from the Dollar Tree, some green raffia from Michael's, and a gold ring that I found at my thrift store. I'll remove the bow and the twine from the carrot. I cut some pieces of green raffia to add to the carrot top raffia to give it a fuller look. I wrap them together with a piece of floral wire. Then I'll attach the raffia to the top of the carrot with the wire and wrap a piece of twine to cover the wire. I have a bundle of spring flowers from Hobby Lobby. I'm going to use some of the straw from the bundle. I'll wrap the straw with a piece of floral wire and cut the extra straw off from the bottom. I put some glue at the bottom of the straw and place the carrot on top. I'll add a piece of wire at the top of the carrot to give it a stronger hold with the straw. And I'll attach the wood ring with the same wire on the back of the straw. And I glued a twine bow on the carrot. And to finish the carrot napkin holder, I'll fold a yellow plaid napkin into a rectangle and place it in the ring. I really like the rustic vintage look of this carrot napkin. It will look adorable on any plate for spring and summer. If I change out the napkin, I could use this in the fall. For this DIY, I have a beautiful flower and leaf pick from Walmart. I glued 2 tumbling blocks together, and I'll glue the tumbling blocks to a gold ring I had on hand. I'll glue the leaf pick on top of the tumbling blocks and glue the flower in the center of the leaves. The flower napkin ring does stand up with a slant, so you are able to see the blocks on the other side. So I glued 2 more leaves to the tumbling blocks, and this really helped to cover up the tumbling blocks much better. And to finish this flower napkin holder, I added a beautiful off-white material cotton napkin. And that brought this holder to a whole different level. I absolutely love this one. It's very elegant, and it was simple and easy to put together. For this DIY, I have a mini wood chick from the Dollar Tree. I'll paint the chick twice with the daffodil yellow acrylic paint. I have a variety of spring color ribbon from the Dollar Tree, and some I had on hand. I'm going to cut 3 strips from each one. I'll take the ribbon and crisscross each piece in no special order and wrap a floral wire in the center to make a messy bow. I'm going to use my letter stamps from Hobby Lobby to print out the name Alice on the chick. I thought this would be a good place for the names of the people who will be joining us for Easter dinner this year. I'll glue the chick in the center of the messy bow and trim the ends on the ribbon. I'll glue a wood ring from the Dollar Tree on the back of the chick. And to finish the chick napkin holder, I'll add the yellow plaid napkin to the ring. The bright, beautiful spring colors made this chick ring so much fun to make, and it's colorful and happy. It'll be perfect for a spring table. And for the last DIY napkin ring holder, I have a beautiful flower from Walmart. I can't remember the name of this one, but I will say this is my overall favorite flower for DIYs. I have a small pampas pick from Michael's that I bought back in the fall. I'll remove the stems from both the flower and the pampas. I have a piece of burlap. I'll glue the ends together to make a ring. I'll glue the pampas on the burlap ring and 2 big leaves on top of the pampas. And I'll glue the big flower head on top of the leaves. If you made it this far in the video, thank you so much for sticking by, and we're getting close to the end. I hope you found your favorite napkin holder, and let me know in the comments. Time's running out and spring's next month, and I need to make my napkin holders for our spring Easter dinner. I'm looking forward to reading everyone's comments and decide which one is going to be the winner. I will definitely let everyone know which one had the most comments, and that'll be the one that I will make for my table. And to finish the pampas flower napkin holder, I'll add a beautiful off-white cotton napkin to the burlap ring. This one turned out so elegant and beautiful as well, and I could definitely use this all year round. I hope I've inspired you today with some new fresh napkin holder ideas that can be used for your spring Easter dinner this year. I want to say thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope I'll see you in my next video. So until then, have a beautiful day and bye for now.